So I'm making around 1/8 inch ropes, and I'm just kind of stacking them all together, and then I'm slicing them into 3 inches long. I like using a wood, extremely thin line Andorino board. You want to make sure that the ropes are nice and moist. Otherwise your thumb will actually slide right off of it when you're making them. So see how I lay this almost like straight up and down, but slightly angled to the right. That's how I want to angle this. And then when I start rolling, I'm using the outside of my thumb and I'm pressing while moving almost straight up, slightly to the left. Not quite a 45-degree angle, but so I'm pressing the outside of my thumb. You're almost making a V shape, moving slightly with the outside of my thumb. Using a medium to light pressure. If you press it too hard, it'll smush right into the board. And then once I make 2 rolls, I use the inside of my other thumb, and that helps me roll the shape. See how I'm moving up, straight up almost, not to the side, because that's the only way to get the right curve in the noodle. And then at the very end, I roll either my thumb or my first finger right over the end of the noodle. And that makes a little point right in the end of it.